To deploy a Spring Boot application in AWS Lambda, you need to package it as a Lambda compatible format and configure it with AWS Lambda. Here's how you can do it. Prepare the Spring Boot application. Add AWS Lambda dependencies. Add the necessary dependencies for AWS Lambda in your pom.xml or build.gradle. For Maven, add the following. For Gradle, add the following. Use Spring Cloud function. Include the Spring Cloud function dependency to make your Spring Boot app Lambda compatible. Configure the function. Create a function handler that connects the Spring Boot app logic to Lambda. Use Spring Boot request handler as the handler class. Package the application. Build the application as a jar using Maven or Gradle. Deploy to AWS Lambda. Go to the AWS Lambda console, create a new Lambda function and upload the package jar file. Set the handler to the following. Test the application. Test the Lambda function in the AWS Lambda console by invoking it with the required event.